Google Meet has just released an increased tiled layout feature that will allow you to see up to 49 participants at once without the use of an extension. In this example, I'm in a meeting with 15 participants, but I can only see 9 of them right now. To access the tiled layout, go to the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Change Layout. From here, select the Tiled option. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a slider that allows you to select the maximum number of tiles to display. Drag the dot on the slider to select up to 49 tiles. When you've made your selections, click the X to close this little window. And now I would be able to see up to 49 participants at once. For this example, I only have 15, but you get the idea. To include yourself in the grid, you can go up to the top right corner where you see your little profile picture. When you hover over that profile picture, you will see the tiled icon. Click on that tiled icon to remove yourself from the layout or to add yourself to the layout. Now that this increased tiled layout is available right within Google Meet, you'll want to remove any grid view extensions that you had previously installed. Using the tiled layout feature within Google Meet rather than an extension will avoid any possible issues that extensions may cause. I hope this helps your class meetings run more smoothly.